Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to track your project. The column width can be changed by selecting the border and dragging it with the mouse clicked. If a cell is not fully visible in the table, you can still see it in the task details. In the Tasks menu, you find the dialog to arrange the columns, like hiding and changing the order. Tasks can be collapsed and expanded as required. We collapse all tasks of the same level as the selected task. Collapsing all tasks shows all top-level tasks. The so-called critical path is shown in red in the Gantt chart. You can filter the critical path. Tasks which are not part of it are hidden. You get an overview of the project schedule in the Gantt chart with a vertical dashed line showing the date of today on the timescale. Scrolling rows is done with the scroll bar or mouse wheel. By zooming in, you will see a part of the timescale in more detail. Scrolling the timescale is done with the scroll bar, Shift key with mouse wheel, or by dragging the header. Directly setting the start date of the timescale is also possible. The Gantt menu has a function to show the entire timescale again. All functions in the menu are explained in the manual when you click the circled eye next to it. Progress is tracked by giving each task a percentage of its completion. Progress of a summary task is calculated from its subtasks. In the Gantt chart, progress is shown as a horizontal line inside the taskbar. When enabled in the Settings dialog, the color in the Progress column or Gantt bar tells the progress. You can filter the unfinished tasks. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.